In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download contacts from Kartra. By the end, you'll have a clean file of your contacts saved to your computer, ready for reporting, backups, or moving data into another tool. First, open your Kartra dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find the Contacts section. Click it to open the area where all your people data lives. Next, choose All Contacts. This view gives you the complete list so you can see everything in one place before you export. Now, decide exactly what you want to download. If you need the entire database, keep the default view as is. If you only want a subset, like people with a certain tag, list membership, or a date range, use the filters and search options at the top to narrow the results. Taking a moment here ensures your export includes only the records you actually need, which keeps your file smaller and easier to work with. When your list looks right, select the contacts. Use the checkbox near the top of the list to select items in bulk. Many pages let you choose all results on the page or all results in the filtered view. Double-check the selection message that appears so you're confident you've captured the full set you intended. With your contacts selected, click the download icon. It looks like a downward arrow and triggers the export. Kartra will generate a CSV file. This is a universal spreadsheet format that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. If your list is large, give it a moment to prepare. When the file is ready, your browser will save it to your default downloads folder. Open the file to confirm key columns like email, first name, and tags look correct. If anything seems off, return to all contacts, adjust your filters or selection, and run the download again. Keep in mind that contact data is sensitive. Store the file securely, share it only with authorized team members, and delete old exports you no longer need. That's it. Your Kartra contacts are now exported and ready to use.